This tutorial will guide you through playing EA Sports FC Mobile Offline Edition. You will learn how to navigate the game, utilize offline modes, and employ strategies to improve your performance without needing an internet connection. This is perfect for gamers who want to enjoy a seamless gaming experience anytime, anywhere. Actually, I'm going to be honest with you. FC players, this feature is not available as of right now. Maybe I know some of your FIFA fans want to play FC Mobile while playing in an offline mode to have fun without interacting with other players in online mode and enjoying playing FC Mobile while you don't have a data or Wi-Fi on your device. Maybe wait for a month or years to have this feature. I can't say when. Maybe it will happen in the near future, just like the other mobile games. I hope you guys will play and enjoy FC Mobile in an online mode as of now to learn more mechanics about this game. I agree that playing EA Sports FC Mobile Offline Editions will offer a flexible and enjoyable gaming experience, but as of right now, this feature is not available yet. Meanwhile, enjoy your gaming sessions and continue to explore different strategies and modes to enhance your experience by playing in the online mode.